My name is Odus and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I have been a software developer since 2007 and I have been developing on the iOS platform for the last 5 years. In this video, we're going to be looking at the topics that will be covered in this course. In this course, we're going to be learning all of the latest changes in Xcode 10. There are 3 kinds of improvements made to Xcode 10. The first kind of improvement are the improvements to help you boost your productivity. The second kind of improvement are known as the quality of life improvements. These are generally things that give you a better user experience while using the Xcode. Finally, there are performance improvements made to Xcode 10, such as getting a faster build time, and so on. In section 1 of the course, we're going to look at all of the productivity improvements made in Xcode 10. First, we're going to learn how to download the latest version of Xcode, and then we're going to learn all of the new changes in the object library. We're going to learn how to use the multi-cursor editing. We're going to learn about the vertical column selection. We're going to be looking at the code snippets. And finally, we're going to learn how to find function callers. In the second section of the course, we're going to be looking at some of the quality of life improvements to Xcode. This includes editor overscroll. We're going to learn how to use the code folding. We're going to learn how less boilerplate codes are added to Xcode 10. We're going to learn how to use the dark mode. And finally, we're going to learn how to control drag for IB action. In section 3 of the course, we're going to be looking at the source control integration. We're going to be looking at integration with Bitbucket. We're going to learn how to use Xcode with GitLab. We're going to look at the source control change bar. And finally, we're going to learn how to generate the SSH key from Xcode 10. In section 4 of the course, we're going to be looking at other notable changes. We're going to learn how to prevent object library from dismissing. We're going to learn how to place objects in the desired location. We're going to be looking at the new embed button on the canvas. We're going to look at the custom font preview. And finally, we're going to learn how named colors automatically update on the interface builder. In section 5 of the course, we're going to be looking at assets and the media library. We're going to learn how to use the asset catalog light and dark variant for custom colors and for images while developing a Mac OS app. We're going to learn how to switch between the light and the dark preview on the interface builder. We're going to learn how to access the media library, and then we're going to learn how to use the media library while writing code. In the final section of the course, we're going to be looking at other Xcode tips and tricks. We're going to learn how to perform a project-wide variable rename. We're going to learn how to extract methods. We're going to learn how to add tokens to code snippets. We're going to learn how to control drag between views to set up constraints. And finally, we're going to learn how to refactor to multiple storyboards. So these are all the sections and the topics that will be covered in this course.